Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can check deleted posts on Facebook. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and a bunch of options will appear. Now, tap on the Settings and Privacy drop-down menu and select Settings. Inside it, scroll down towards the bottom and locate Account Activity Log. It will be present under the Your Activity tab. Inside it, a bunch of features will be present at the top. Tap on the Recycle Bin option and all of your deleted posts will be present here. As I don't have any posts deleted, this page is empty, but in your case, it will have the deleted items. If you have archived your posts instead of deleting them, you can access them going back one step and selecting Archive. So that's basically how you can check deleted posts on Facebook. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.